Thank you for interacting with EPR Magazine. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi, I'm Chandresh Jain and I'm the founder and CEO for Bask Energy. We are a solar energy company which operates into sourcing solution come finance finance solution company. So end-to-end solution for solar energy as well as other aspects of renewable energy. We are in the market since last 8 years, as company started in 2016, and we are in the industry for last 11 years. So end-to-end solution for entire renewable supply chain as well as financing.
My name is Ashish Paliwal, and I am Chief Operating Officer from Bask Energy. And just he gave all our references that what we do. So we are into this sector since last 10 years, and we are serving so many companies, and we are looking forward for this.
How is Bask Energy planning to leverage the PM Suryoday Yojana?
First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji for this great initiative, and we are so much thankful to him, because there are so many companies who are feeling like in past few years that how solar works. The peoples are not having so much knowledge about solar, but after the initiative taken by our Honorable Prime Minister, there are masses, so many people come to know about how solar works. So this is really a great initiative, and we would like to pay our sincere thanks from Bask Energy team and a whole solar industry to take this a great initiative. So we would like to pay our sincere thanks to our Prime Minister Modi ji for this great initiative, and we are looking forward to take part in this industry as a company who is providing platform not only in the manufacturing sector, but we are also providing our financing, and this is a kind of platform. The Bask Energy is a kind of platform in which we are providing all the facilities in one end. So this is end-to-end solution from our side, and again I am paying my sincere thanks to our Modi ji, the Prime Minister, who is taking this great initiative.
So your inputs on this?
Yeah, Ashish said that we are keen towards the government initiatives, and we would love to work with that particular yojana which has been recently introduced, and we would try and leverage that particular thing for entire the masses.
So what strategies do you have to overcome the challenges and the issue in this industry?
So particularly if you talk about this industry, there are few issues I would like to speak on. Firstly, which is the pricing thing, and secondly the sourcing thing, and the third one is the financing. So in which we fits as an player where we help help to address these three issues. We work rigorously on pricing thing, as we have great network in Southeast Asia, and who is the larger stakeholder in the entire PV industry, which is China. So we have very good supply chain solution for raw material as well as entire thing for which makes solar panel and solar industry very smooth and hassle free. So we make sure that we whatever we offer, which should be affordable, and with customers should get a benefit of at least great quality, better pricing, and with the funding solution. So we help OEMs as well as EPC companies and the whole supplies or whole ecosystem who is into the industry for renewable. We make the entire three things very much easy for them. Yeah.
So would you like to give some inputs on this?
Yeah, as Chandresh said, we came up with all the solutions like financing, and we are this differentiate Bask Energy from other companies. That this is the only platform in which anybody come up and he will find end-to-end solution. Every kind of solution he is finding like only at one end. So this is separate us from others.
So, according to you, how have these exhibitions like the Intersolar Expo helped the industry to grow?
Yeah, actually, it's a great networking place where you get to know about new and new technology, new people, the new perspectives. So a lot of new things happens here. So, but this, helps industry grow with a faster pace and new upgradation in this industry, as well as the new and new opportunities which foster the industry grow and help industry grow. Yeah.
So, would you like to talk about something?
Yeah, as you can see also that like in Intersolar there are so many new companies also, startup companies also they are taking part, and also so many people who are like new to this industry, they are coming to us and they are gaining knowledge from us. They know us that what we are doing, what new projects come up. So this is very good platform for networking also, and to meet people and to understand their problems also, because when we meet people in Intersolar, they let us know that what kind of difficulties these are, what kind of difficulties they are facing. So this is very good to us also to let know people that what kind of problems they are facing, what loopholes in this industry is, like we have to improve the quality, the management, the supply chain, the financing problems. So when we meet people, so then we will understand their problems. So this is very great place to explore. Like,
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to interview you.